welcome back to
our channel.
Did you know our channel is changed the name now?
Oh really?
Yes. So I changed our channel to be TNABD. Do you know what the meaning?
Does it mean BTS?
No.
DNA?
DNA.
DNA.
No, DNA is the meaning is Dika and Ashley. So DNA, Dikta and Ashley.
And PD?
PD is program director.
Oh.
Why? Because in the past I was work in production house in Jakarta. That's why.
Oh, I love the name.
That's why now we changed our channel to be TNABD. I think more easy.
Yeah.
Anyway, di depan aku sekarang ini ada snacks. Snack kali ini aku lebih memilih shape. Shape-nya kali ini adalah ring. Jadi shape-nya adalah ring ya. Bentuk cincin. Ada apa ini nggak ngerti. Terus nih ada chips. Ada cumi rings. Ada donat. Ada macam-macam ya nih donatnya. Terus ini ada coklat. Oh, coklat bentuknya donat.
Yeah. This time we're not having a mukbang about colors, but about shapes.
Ya, sekarang kita mau mulai makan. Kita mau coba. Aku tuh nggak ngerti nih, penasaran apa ya. What is that?
I want to try this one. Why? Because like, yeah, yeah.
That is like chocolate, but inside like cookies, like Oreo maybe. I don't know.
That's why I was
I'm not
thinking.
sure. Ini paprika chips.
I want to try these smallies. A long time no see. No, not my taste.
But I'm curious about this one.
Alright.
I'm curious about this one. Ini tuh apa ya? Ada sesame ya, here. I have the sesame. Kayaknya mungkin gurih kali rasanya. Rasanya sesame. You taste the sesame? But I think a little bit dry. Yeah.
If you put honey on it,
No.
that would be like Korean snack. Australian snack.
That's not good, but it's not bad. You like it?
Yeah. It's like crackers.
Yeah. Like crackers. This one. Cumi.
I like.
Jadi aku mukbang menurut warna. Nanti dulu. Aku skip dulu. Jadi aku punya ide ayah. Ada apa? Shape, ring shape. Ya, bentuk cincin. Jadi aku koleksi itu semua snack-snack yang berupa cincin. Jadi ketemulah ini. Aku nemu ini. Kira-kira apalagi ya yang snacknya berbentuk cincin? Ini.
I like this, but I don't like this. In first it's yummy, but then after it's like a corn.
I
That's why.
taste corn.
Wait.
Jagung ini chips jagung. Tangannya. Ya,
Yeah.
jagung corn.
See, that's fine. Yeah.
Not really love. Ini enak ini.
This is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 0. 10 out of 10. How much do you rate them?
Mana?
This I also rate a 10 out of 10. How much do you rate everything in here?
Bisa this one.
Yeah, everything beside this one. How much do you rate? How
Cumi.
How can you not know?
Cumi. Nah, bentuk cincin.
Mommy, this yeah.
Oh ya.
Mommy, you're closing this.
I don't understand. You don't like squid, but this one is squid also.
But you don't see the squid.
Yeah, but you tasted that.
But you don't see the squid.
Cumi.
I don't like chumi, but I don't see. But I like this. Why? Because I don't see this chumi.
But you like it. You eating.
No, but I don't eat it when I see it.
Enak. Ini aku mau potong deh. Sekarang saatnya kita makan donat sama makan cookies, coklat cookies.
Yeah.
Ya.
Yeah.
You want to try this one first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try.
I want to see.
It's purple.
No, it's coklat.
Bat.
Bad boy.
Bat.
I'm right, coklat. You said what? Purple. That is coklat. Jadi cookies spekulus?
What could you?
Spekulus?
Oh,
No.
almost.
Cookies. Cookies dilapisi coklat putih.
I'm obsessed.
Enak. Purple is not purple. Bad boy.
Hey, I didn't say anything, huh?
Jangan ya, bad.
I don't say. What? What did you try to say?
You just bad. Just say bad.
Yeah, but I didn't say what. That's really yummy.
Enak. Gak terlalu manis. Ya manis tapi ya normal manis.
It's not really sweet. It's
Enggak.
just normal.
Sekarang donatan. Jadi Asli milih ini.
It's so yummy. Like seriously.
Cincinnya patah. Wait, what? Aku mau nyoba yang coklat apa ini? Which one first you want to taste?
I think I want to taste this one.
Oh, there's something inside.
That's right. Like jam.
I think it's jam.
That is jam. I like.
Jam berapa? Jam berapa?
I know.
Itu jam berapa? Itu jam berapa? You understand? Jam. Bulat. Jam berapa? In Indonesia is jam berapa? Here is jam. A. Yang coklat
B.
ini, ya A, B. Yang coklat ini dalamnya ada selai, have jam inside. I don't know, strawberry cherry or
Strawberry.
what, I don't know.
Strawberry.
But this one,
Nothing.
This one is nothing.
It's strawberry jam.
Enak. Coba.
It's not so bad, but
Jeko. I want Jeko.
I want Shenzhen.
I want chicken. Jeko.
Maybe you will meet maybe when you go to Jeko, then you will meet JK.
And buy chicken. Honestly, go to Jeko, meet with JK, and buy JK. Yes.
Oh my god. But man, it's sour, like a bit sour.
The jam.
I rate this a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10.
Next time we will mukbang about shape or about the color. Well, I'm asking you.
Oh, you're asking me.
Ya Tuhan Yesus. Next time we will mukbang about the shape or about color. What do you think? Color little bit difficult.
Shape also.
Yeah, but depend of shape.
With color is just the same.
Yeah, but the color, for example, blue, purple is difficult, eh? To searching difficult.
Just go online and buy it online. Maybe color.
We'll see. Next time we will mukbang.
What?
I think shape.
I think color.
I think shape.
I think color.
But we'll see what we'll find.
Yeah.
You want to try this one a little bit?
Sure.
Mau nyoba yang asli. Ini tuh apa ya?
Smarties.
Smarties. Normal donut? Jeko.
Shenzhen.
Jeki.
Shenzhen.
But this one is a bit boring. Because the taste, just normal donut, don't have anything. But the other one,
And this one.
But the other one is have jam, so you have this other. Jadi aku habis mukbang snack yang berbentuk
Cincin.
kayak cincin.
What cincin?
Cincin. Ya, cincin is ring. Ya, tuh. Kita berbentuk cincin semuanya. Aku nemunya sih ini ya. Ini yang gurih, ini yang manis. Ya, sweet and salty. Jadi kita belum tahu next time kita mau mukbang apa. Ikutin pokoknya ya. Kira-kira kita mau mukbang apa. Oke, jadi sekian dulu video aku kali ini. Thanks for watching. And
don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
bye.